Look, man, I don't care what the marketing data says. I'm out here in the Washitas trying to show these people how to bolt this roof rack down. It's as simple as that. Simple as that? Simple doesn't feed the algorithm. Look at our click-through rate from last week, man. The CTR is lower than the clearance of your Sprinter van. If we don't have a giant red arrow pointing at an explosion the first 3 seconds, no one will watch. My viewers don't want explosions. They want to see how to align the brackets so the roof don't leak. They want drama. If you just stand there turning a wrench, our audience retention graph is going to look like a cliff. It's a dead drop at the 15-second mark. I need you to fake a fall off that ladder, scream, and drop a heavy tool on your foot. Give the kids something to loop on TikTok. I'm not falling off the roof rack for 15 seconds of watch time. Think about the engagement, Hermit. The comments. We need people typing furiously. If you don't intentionally mispronounce the name of the tool or leave a random stray bolt sitting on the bumper to make people comment about, the algorithm thinks we're dead. Hey, sorry. Oh. I think we're breaking up. Don't do the robot voice. Maybe losing connection. I can see your hand intentionally shaking the phone. Hey, cell tower must be. Your shoulders aren't even moving. It's worth a shot.
Goodbye.
Anyway, no fake falls, no crazy red arrows. Let's just get into the roof rack install. Wow. That was fun to record. You know what's not fun? Trying to fit all your gear in your van without a roof rack or a ladder system, which is exactly why today's video is sponsored by Sandy Van. They make a whole lineup, the SV exterior lineup of gear that is made for being off-grid. It's made in San Diego, and it's geared towards living out of your van and being out of touch so you don't have to live like a hermit. Upgrade your rig now. Go to sandyvans.com/offgridhermit10 or at checkout, offgridhermit10, all caps, in the coupon code. That helps support the channel, and it also gives you a 10% discount off all of their lineup. The SV exterior lineup is untouchable, and it'll help keep the producer from yelling at me maybe. So there's that. Let's get back into the video. All right. So to me, there's certain things that define an adventure van. Like any van could be an adventure van, technically. But to me, I've always thought, man, vans with roof racks, those are cool. I think if you have a place to get on the roof and watch the stars, you have a place to throw a kayak, you have a place to drink a cold beer on a hot day, you could throw a surfboard up there, whatever. It just seems like that makes it an adventure van. That's why this week I installed the Sandy Vans Sandbar roof rack. Now, I'll be honest, installing this thing, if you'll watch the install video at Sandy Vans on their YouTube channel, if you just follow along on that and do the install in that order, it makes this thing a one-man job. In about, maybe this and the ladder, you could get them all installed in about 3 or 4 hours. Now, I've put most of the roof up in the evening right before sunset, woke up the next morning and knocked out the crossbars and the ladder. All right. So we got quite a bit done yesterday, but I've got to wrap this up. I've got to get the rack, the crossbars. I've got to finish mounting them this morning, and then I've got a little bonus that I'm gonna add to it. So I'm probably gonna put the GoPro in time lapse, and then we'll do like a little overview once we're done. I was able to knock most of it out that afternoon. There's a little thunderstorm that rolled in about noon, and then after that, Marsh and I went on our first trip in our new adventure van. I decided that I would take her down to the river for a little swim, and maybe, just maybe, I could catch a fish while we were down there. But first we had to get there, and we all know that getting there is part of the fun. So I pulled out the drone and we headed back off into the woods. Earlier in the video, I talked about how a roof rack is what makes an adventure van. The ultimate bolt-on part to unlock the wild. You know, standing out here looking at this river, I think I was completely wrong about that. It's so easy to get trapped in the consumer side of this lifestyle. We scroll through social media and convince ourselves that we need the next upgrade, the perfect rig, or a specific brand, just to justify stepping outside. You know, a piece of aluminum bolted to your roof doesn't give you an adventure. It just holds your stuff. The truth is, adventure isn't something you can buy, unbox, or install. It's a mindset. It comes from within. And people have been generating incredible, life-changing journeys on budgets of absolutely nothing for hundreds, if not thousands of years. They didn't have a parts list or a sponsor code. They just had the willingness to leave their comfort zone. You know, the van is great. And gear is useful. But they're just tools to get us to places like this. The real destination, the real adventure, is exactly what we're doing right now. Thanks for being part of the journey with us. If you want to see where Marsh and I head next, stick around and join the channel. But for now, go find your own river, get out there, go wild, and we'll see you next time.